This is the screencast for section 5.6, example 2, the law of cosines. This time we're going to deal with a situation where our given information in a triangle is a side, side, side. So we are not given any angles to start off with. So I can choose any angle I want to first solve for. Similar to the second part that we saw in example 1, and it's now try problem. But I'm going to choose, in this case, just to solve for angle A. Why not start with A? So if I'm starting out to solve for angle A, I'm going to use side A to go to the left of the equal sign. So 9 squared equals then B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of angle A. So again, this is a situation where you need to kind of watch your order of operations. 7 squared plus 5 squared, whatever 49 plus 25 is, take 9 squared 81, subtract that, and you get 7 equals, and then 2 times 7 times 5 is 70, so I have negative 70 times the cosine of A. And then I will divide both sides by negative 70, and I get negative 1/10 equals the cosine of angle A. So now if I take the inverse cosine of both sides, I get that angle A is approximately 95.74 degrees. Now I'm going to set up the same exact situation that I started with, just with a different angle. So let's say I want to find angle B. So I'm going to use the setup of law of cosines where side B is out in front. And continue from there. So multiple steps forward. Save us a little time here. Watch your order of operations. The inverse cosine of 57 over 90 is going to be angle B, and I get that angle B is about 50.70 degrees. So if I take 180 degrees minus the 95.74 that I got for angle A, minus the 50.70 that I just got for angle B, I get that angle C is about 34.19 degrees. On the now try problem number 3, again we have a side, side, side situation. So I'm just going to pick a random angle to start with. I'm going to start with angle A. I could have started with B, could have started with C, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to try and find angle A first, which means side A has to be out in front. So I have 27 squared equals 24 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 24 times 19 cosine of, again, angle A is what I'm looking for. Lots of steps later. Again, I've showed you the order of operations stuff quite a few times at this point, so if you're having trouble with that, go back to example 1. Divide both sides by negative 912 and take the inverse cosine. So the inverse cosine of 208 over 912 is going to be angle A. And if I put that in my calculator, make sure I'm in degree mode, I get angle A is approximately equal to 76.82 degrees. And then I continue with yet another setup. This time, why not? Let's try for angle C. So I'm going to put side C out in front. Set up the law of cosines formula so that angle C is the angle I'm solving for. Lots of order of operations. I get negative 514 equals negative 1026 times the cosine of C. So then the inverse cosine of 514 over 1026 is going to be what angle C is. So C is about 59.94 degrees. Then I can, let's see, 59.94 degrees. I'll take 180 minus 76.82 that I got for angle A, minus 59.94 that I just got for angle C, and I get that angle B is about 43.24 degrees. And double checking my work, the smallest angle, 43-ish degrees, is across from the smallest side. The biggest angle, 76-ish degrees, is across from the biggest side.